In this video, we'll explain how the EU regulates product safety. If you're importing to the EU, you might have heard the terms regulation, directive, and EN standard. But what do they mean? Let's take a closer look. A regulation is an EU law that applies the same way in every country. A directive is a rule that each country turns into their own law, and EN standards, they're not laws, but they help show your product is safe. Let's take an example. Imagine you're importing a plastic doll from China into the EU to sell on Amazon. The EU Toy Safety Directive says it must be safe, but it doesn't tell you exactly how to prove that. That's where EN 71 comes in. It's a European standard that covers toy safety. It's not legally mandatory, but if your product complies with EN 71, it's considered to meet the legal safety requirements. If you choose to not follow EN 71, you will have to find other ways to prove your product is safe. The exact testing and documentation needed depend on the product type, the materials, and how the toy is used. So how can companies comply? Start by identifying which regulations or directives apply to your product. Then check if there are EN standards that match. Based on the product type and materials, define a testing plan. This can be done with a lab or through consultants like Westward Sourcing. Understanding this structure helps avoid under-testing, over-testing, or missing key legal requirements. If you need more information, check the link in the description or contact us directly. We give a free 1-hour consult for new customers, so be sure to check out our website.